The procedure for using STI screening kit with Bioteke 16 is as follows. 1. Open the metal bath and preheat it at 95 degrees. 2. After the vaginal swab or genital skin lesion swab was shaken and mixed, 50 liters sample was taken into a 1.5 milliliters centrifuge tube. And 250 liters pre-lysate was added. After shaking and mixing, the sample was placed in a metal bath at 95 degrees for 10 minutes. 3. Take out the STI lyophilized reagent. Put it into the consumable shelf according to well positions 1, 2, 3, and 4, corresponding to A, B, C, D. Open the tube cover, and then insert the extraction reagent and consumable into the corresponding position of the consumable shelf. Buckle the gland cap and press down to ensure that the extraction reagent and STI lyophilized reagent are completely fitted. 4. Carefully tear the extraction reagent sealing membrane. And add 300 liters of pre-treated sample to the sample well position. Open the instrument. Click Plate in. Put the whole reagent into the instrument. And click Plate out. After editing the sample name and selecting the project STI, click Run. 6. After about 75 to 90 minutes, the reagent strip will automatically go out of the chamber, and the discarded reagent should be sealed with a sealed bag to prevent environmental aerosol pollution caused by the reagent spills. 7. When the internal control IC is positive, the experimental result is valid. The negative and positive results of each pathogen can be read directly by the instrument interface.